Please remember to post a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can always get my latest travel videos. Now, the top tourist attraction in Peru is on many people's bucket list. It is on mine, and that is Machu Picchu. And instead of making a video that would last about 2 hours, and I didn't want to do that, I decided to show you how to get to Machu Picchu and to see if you're up for it. Here goes.
Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca fortress in southern Peru on a nearly 8,000 foot high mountain ridge. It is believed that the site was built as an estate for an Inca ruler. Machu Picchu is open daily from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. You need to get a timed entry ticket, and timed entry tickets to Machu Picchu cost $40 to $50 US. You have to purchase your tickets in advance, and you can only enter the site during the 1 hour window on your ticket. A trip to Machu Picchu is quite difficult to coordinate. There is no direct route from Lima, so you will have to schedule a flight, a train ride, and a bus ride. Remember, your trip needs to be scheduled to get you there in time for your pre-arranged 1 hour window to enter Machu Picchu. You will need to book a room somewhere along the way in order to meet your 1 hour time window at Machu Picchu. So this is probably a 2 or possibly 3 day excursion. Let me take you through the 3 steps to get from Lima to Machu Picchu. Step 1. Take a 1.5 hour flight from Lima to Cusco, Peru. There are over 15 non-stop flights daily between Lima and Cusco. This ticket will cost about $120 US return. LATAM, Sky, and JetSmart are the major airlines which fly this route. Step 2. Take the train from Cusco to Aguas Calientes. The latest train leaving Cusco for Aguas Calientes is around 4 p.m. If your flight arrives in Cusco after that, you will have to stay the night in Cusco. Keep in mind that you will have to arrive in Aguas Calientes at least 1 hour before your timed entry ticket to Machu Picchu. In Cusco, you have the choice of 2 train stations to get to Aguas Calientes. Option 1 is Poroy Station in the small town of Poroy, just outside of Cusco. The train from Poroy Station to Aguas Calientes takes 3 hours 30 minutes, which is the shortest option. The disadvantages of Poroy Station is that it's a 37-minute taxi ride from the Cusco airport, and finding accommodations close to the train station will likely be difficult. The second option is a 17-minute taxi ride from the airport to San Pedro Station in Cusco. The biggest disadvantage for this option is that the train from San Pedro Station to Aguas Calientes takes 4 hours and 30 minutes. The advantage is San Pedro Station is located in the bigger city of Cusco, so if you have to spend the night, you should be able to find accommodations near the train station. Now, a traveler's tip: the drive between San Pedro Station and Poroy Station only takes 22 minutes, so you can book a hotel near San Pedro Station, then take a taxi early in the morning to Poroy Station to catch the train there. You'll save an hour on your train ride. You can buy your tickets online through Inca Rail or Peru Rail. The return tickets cost $60 to $70 US. The 2 railways are similar in price and service, so choose the ticket that best fits your budget and timetable. Peru Rail offers 3 trips daily from Cusco to Machu Picchu Station from 6:40 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. Inca Rail has 6 trips daily starting at 4:20 a.m., including a couple of afternoon trains. Very important, if you ordered your train ticket online, you will need to go to the ticket office to collect your actual paper ticket before boarding the train. If you were able to book the afternoon train to Aguas Calientes, you will need to pre-book a room there for the night as Machu Picchu closes at 5 p.m. Step 3. The bus or long uphill hike to Machu Picchu. From Aguas Calientes, you still have a 30-minute bus ride up the mountain to Machu Picchu. The bus leaves Aguas Calientes from 5:30 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. A ticket costs $12 US one way. You board the bus according to the time of your entry ticket to Machu Picchu. The earliest you will get on the bus is 30 minutes before your entry ticket. You will need to buy your bus ticket before joining the queue. They can be purchased at the ticket office in Aguascalientes, which is close to the train station. If you decide to take the minimum 2-hour hike up the 1.7 kilometers of stairs, remember to budget enough time to get to the top. You won't be able to enter after the time printed on your ticket. You are now at Machu Picchu. Enjoy this highly preserved and fascinating heritage site. I hope you remember to plan your return trip.
Please subscribe, post a like, and hit the notification bell for future videos.